Hello, this is Tour 601 Max, and today I will show you how to use this device to readjust battery. And now, first we need to use this Dynasty main line to connect the device. And here we use this end to connect Tour 601 Max. And this end we need to connect a car OBD. Okay, so let's go ahead. First we click the maintenance into the function, and there we select the battery reset. Here you can see the software version. Now you just read it. Let's click OK. Now we just wait for the process to finish, and now you can see there are some car brands. Here we select BMW. You can see the information. You need to switch on ignition of the car. Switch on, and now click OK. Here we just wait for the process to finish. You can see the device is scanning the system of the car. It maybe needs some time to scan the system, so we just wait here to go to finish. Okay, let's continue. Here we collect this function, register battery exchange. When the car battery is replacing, we need to use this function. Otherwise, the light on the car dashboard will be on. Here, we enter the function. Now you can see there are two functions. Option 1, you can reading the distance of the last battery exchange and one before last the information by this function. And option 2, you can readjust battery eject by this function. Now we select option 2 into system and click here, F2. Now you can see there are 1, 2, 3 options we can choose. We can select, and option 1, it is some space. You need to know the battery is space capacity or higher or lower capacity. And now we select same capacity. Click F1. Now you can see the information there. You need to know the battery is original or not, and here we select no. If it is original battery, you can select yes. But here we select no. Okay, we just wait. As you can see, it is no successful because this is a simulation platform. If it is a real car, you will be successful. Now it is how to use tool 601 Max to register battery. Okay, thank you.